I'm Janeline Granadozin, 35 years old. I've been in Sun Life for 8 months already. So maliban po sa pagiging financial advisor ng Sun Life, I am a private and government contractor with Interlac, Pangasinan, and La Union provinces. Nakilala ko si Sun Life during pandemic times. It was the time when nalaman ko na talagang kailangan namin as family to be insured. Oh yeah, since I am a policy believer, nalaman ko kung ano yung mga advantage of having life insurances, health insurances, at mga investments din, mga ganyan na offer ni Sun Life. So, madali akong napa-oo dahil personally, I want to help myself para maging financial literate ako, para malaman ko kung paano ko i-manage yung aming family finances. So, dahil nga maganda yung binibigay ni Sun Life, masaya rin ako na i-share din ito, lalo na sa mga loved ones ko, sa mga kaibigan ko. What is it like to work with Sun Life? Isa lang yung naisip ko, unlimited. Unlimited in learnings, unlimited income, and unlimited growth. Basta ibibigay mo lang yung best effort mo. Because here in Sun Life, everything is unlimited. Na-enjoy ko sa Sun Life. Number 1 is meeting new and different people. Second is yung satisfaction na you will secure lives. And third is another way for you to earn more income. Well, nung bago-bago pa lang ako na FA, hirapan ako mag-balance ng time ko between my work, my family, and dito sa Sun Life. But as times goes by, I learned how to manage my time na wisely. So, ngayon, okay naman. Madali lang. Oh, memorable. So, since I am only 8 months, I tried na ma-recognize because of my efforts. So, I was recognized at masaya yung feeling na na-award ka ng mga ganon. So, for me, masarap mag-work sa isang company na mare-reward ka dahil sa mga best effort na ginagawa mo. So, iba yung feeling na yun na nakasecure ka ng family, nakatulong ka sa bawat individual, and at the same time, yung Sun Life Company, nare-reward ka pa. Before Sun Life, yung knowledge ko about saving and investing, maliit lang. But when I joined Sun Life, lumawak yung aking knowledge. At syempre dito kapag mag-o-offer ka ng life insurance, hindi pwedeng putyo-putyo lang. Kasi syempre, hindi ka pagkakatiwalaan or hindi maniniwala yung taong pagprepresentan mo nito. So kailangan, ngayon nandito ako kay Sun Life, ang knowledge ko lumalawak. Oh, bilang isang Sun Lifer, nakaka-proud kasi belong ka sa isang top company ng life insurance dito sa Pilipinas. So, pangalawa din, ang income dito lucrative. So, you will make your own paycheck. And lastly, masaya yung bondings dito ng branch, ng unit. So, masayang-masaya talaga para kami talagang isang pamilya. There's no harm in trying. Yung income mo rito is based sa sipag mo. So, as your business grow here in Sun Life, even yourself will grow too. Sana mas marami pa akong masecure na lives ng individual and even as families kasi policy holder ako ang aking buong pamilya at alam ko kung gaano talaga ito kahalaga.